How's it going here, future voters of Sean Gannon, future president of the United States of America? And we got another beer review for you. We have the Big Slice Juicy IPA by Three Notch'd Brewing Company. And yes, this is a seasonal beer, temporary, limited release. You can't really get it anymore right now. It's not really on their website. I had to Google search to find it, but I couldn't go through their website to find it. All right. Now, I'm pouring this in my trusty plastic beer glass. Affiliate link in the description if you want to support the channel. Nice pour. Let's see what they say about this beer. I'll put a link in the description, but there's a chance it eventually is taken off the website. We'll see. All right, let's talk about it. Big Slice Juicy IPA is a seasonal beer. About this beer, grab summer by the slice with this big, juicy India Pale Ale, brewed in the New England style. The Big Slice is hoppy and hazy from the intense dry hopping, but not bitter. We'll see about that. Excuse me. Mango, orange, and tropical fruit flavors burst through to complement the soft sweetness and smooth mouthfeel from the lactose. Oh, good thing I'm not lactose intolerant. The perfect beer for going big. No actual fruit was harmed in the crafting of this beer. Well, good to know. I wonder if that actually means there's no fruit added. We'll see. Part of our declaration of hop series, and also available in our 24 and 12 hop packs during the summer season. Interesting, the shows that bring us out in the summer. Characteristics, double IPA, oof, double up. ABV, 7.8%, IBUs, 15. All right. Limited release, juicy IPA. All right. First thing you notice here, it's a cloudy beer. Cloudy. They didn't mention it was unfiltered, but I'm assuming it is. Happens a lot of times, I guess, with these juicy beers. Now, New England style, I can tell from the beginning, probably won't be my favorite, but we'll see. I'm not a New England style IPA fan, but you might be. Everyone has their different flavors. It's all right. All right. Smell test. I'm definitely smelling the New England style on there. That is higher. That is overpowering any other smell I'm getting. So I'm just smelling like a New England style IPA. Get my nose right in there. Got a little foam on there. Yeah, I'm getting a little mango, orange, tropical flavor they're mentioning there. A little subtle after the New England style. But I love how I noticed in the in the can here, it says it contains lactose. I guess normal beer doesn't contain lactose, so they must add something that does. Wonder what it is. All right, let's go taste it. It's juicy, but it's weird to say. It almost has like a pale flavor. And maybe that's New England style. The New England style has this pale type flavor. It's a weird way of describing it, but it's the only word that's coming to my brain right now. Maybe there's a better word for it, but it's like a pale butter flavor, but not like a good buttery flavor. That's what I'm getting here. Not my favorite. My guess is this flavor is overpowering probably the New England style of it. And somehow, maybe it's the yeast that does it. But the juiciness can't counteract that pale flavor. It's almost kind of like a Belgian IPA, to be honest. If I think about it, for some reason I'm thinking about it. It's reminding me of a Belgian IPA. But again, I need to have a Belgian next to me to taste this one to really see the comparisons. But that's what I'm getting in my head here. Those flavors are overpowering any hops or anything I'm getting from there. I can taste the citrus, but it's basically a citrusy New England style IPA, but the New England side is very strong, or Belgian style kind of thing. Maybe that's the double IPA. They had to load it up here to get the high alcohol content at 7.8%, which is fairly high. But yeah, I'm not getting much of the just IPA flavor. It's not my favorite here, and maybe that's why it's a seasonal beer. It is limited releases. See what people like about it, what the reviews are, how it's going to go, and if they want to add this to their lineup. Clearly, they took it off the website because it probably wasn't that great. It's not even in the seasonal category that I could find. I had to Google search it, and it's still like in some website thing that's not linked on their website, but you can still search for it if you have the right URL. So I'll put that in the description. Maybe at some point you watch this video, it'll be off. Either way, that's the beer. Not my favorite. I think I'm gonna give it a, maybe because I also don't like New England style, but it was definitely worse than other ones I've had. I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 5. That could be generous. That's my personal taste. I was between that 2.75 and 3. That's usually my range there, but I'll give it a 3. Give the benefit of the doubt here, and that's it. So if you like this beer, hey, it might be for you. If you like New England style, it's for you. I didn't, but let me know in the comment section below if you did like this beer or you didn't, what your thoughts are. And I will see you next time. This is Sean Gannon, future president of the United States of America, signing off.